Hi, hello guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Today we'll be doing a video on how to draw and what kind of things you'll be needing in order to um proceed when drawing. So during a drawing exam, most of the people like to panic. But most of the things which cause you to panic is because you don't have the right equipment. So today I'll be sharing with you guys the right equipment which you need in order for you to actually save some time during your drawing exam. So the first thing you need is obviously pencils. Pencils are important. They have to be two or one, but preferably you have to have two pencils, a zero point 0.3 and a zero point 0.5. So these pencils have lids inside. You guys know this. You draw with drawing lids, but what you want to know is the different types of colors inside a pencil. So we have HD, we have H. So H is light in color, which you'll be using in your zero point 0.3. And then HD, which is a bit dark in color, you'll be using it on your zero point 0.5. It's dark and it's much thicker. So zero point 0.3, it's light. It's also small, which is thin, isn't it? So your pencils are the most important things which you need. Obviously, you're going to need an eraser, but if you don't have an eraser, remember at the back of your pencils, there are erasers. So if you want to open up your pencils at the back, you'll find a small eraser just for emergency, isn't it? So just for you to actually just do a quick erase. So two pencils are important. Another thing which you need is your 30-degree ruler. This, guys, it's very much important when it comes to isometric drawing. And I'll be also doing an isometric drawing um, on the next video, which I'll be posting. I'll be showing you guys how to draw an isometric drawing within 30 minutes. So this ruler is the most important ruler which you need during your isometric drawing, not only on your isometric drawing, also on your interpenetration drawing. It's very much important. And also on your helix, you also need this on your helix. So this is very much important. Helix, we'll get into it. Helix is one of those drawings which we'll be also dissecting on our coming videos. So guys, please like, subscribe, and make sure you share with your friends. So this ruler is very much important. It's a 30-degree angle ruler which goes together with a 45 angle ruler. Now remember, you can find these rulers inside a small instrument what do you call that, an instrument set. But now those rulers are small, which means whenever they're small, you have to draw a small angle and you have to use a ruler to extend those lines, which meaning that means that means you will be actually wasting a lot of time. So you just have to have bigger rulers to save time, because if you have a bigger ruler, no need for you to move around. You just put on your sketch and draw your line. So this is an important piece. Another piece which we'll be looking at is your FlexiCurve. This is a ruler, but it's used different. It flexes in the middle. It's a FlexiCurve. So this you need to make though. You need to make you use it to make those fine circles or those bands around a circle or wherever interpenetration um lines meet. So usually we use this. It's called a FlexiCurve. So guys, don't forget this in your bag when you go to write an exam, especially when you're doing boiler making, fitting, and yeah, don't forget this. Another thing is your protractor. This is very much important, guys. When you're when you be doing your angles, this is very much important. People, make sure you have this with you inside your bag at all times. When you're drawing your interpenetration angles, you have to use this to make the angle in the middle of the circle so that you can have your pipes or whatever you'll be drawing with the correct angle. So a protector, guys, is very much important. So have this in your bag. This is a 30 centimeter ruler. This is very much important, but mine is also a flexi curve, so I can use it to make a flexi curve. This helps me in order for me to actually instead of me just taking the flexi curve, maybe I've put it far on the next table, I can just use this ruler. It's a flexi curve, so I can just bend using this ruler and draw my my dissecting lines or my interpenetration lines. So this ruler saves time. Remember, this video is about saving time during your drawing exam or test, isn't it? So this also helps me to save time. 30 centimeter ruler. It's very much important, guys. 30 centimeter ruler. It's very much important. So least but not last, what you need is your compass. This is your guide during your walk. So this is my compass. So I use this to actually make angles, to take measurements. So to keep the same measurements, I use this to draw my circles. I use this to draw an isometric circle. I also use this. Now remember, I'll be also doing an isometric circle in one of our videos. So I'll be showing you how to draw an isometric circle within 15 minutes. So just to save time during your exams. Now my compass, it's not one of those whereby you'd have to sharpen at the end, because if you have to sharpen and you're busy drawing, the pencil at the end becomes blunt. So mine uses a 0.5 small pencil. This is a 0.5 pencil whereby I put in leads at the back. I put in leads at the back and then I click them to come to the front. So immediately I click at the back, it comes to the front. So I usually put it here in front of my compass and then tie it down. So whenever I'm during an exam, what I would do is I would just click like this, and then the 0.5 lead comes through in the front. This saves time, guys. So make sure you have your compass. So another thing, most important, is your drawing board, guys. This, don't forget it. Don't forget your drawing board, because this is where all the magic happens. You have to have your drawing board because it's the most important thing during your drawing exam. So make sure your drawing board has its own ruler at the side, or on the side, or nearby on the table, because that's where you'll be putting all your rulers, or the ruler which you'll be using, you'll be putting it on top of the ruler which came with the board, or which comes with the board. So the ruler which comes with the board is very much important, guys. Don't forget it. Make sure you have it at all times, so you can put it on your so you can put your ruler on top of the ruler of the board. Remember now, the drawing board has a ruler which also has buttons on the side whereby it helps the ruler not to move around during your exam. So guys, please use those buttons because they help you to stay to actually keep your line straight. So make sure you have your ruler which comes with this board. So yeah, guys, so remember now, like, subscribe and share with your friend. On the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to draw an isometric circle within 30 minutes, and I'll also be showing you guys how to draw interpenetration, isometrics, helix, chems. We'll be also doing civil engineering, but mostly we'll be dealing on mechanical engineering and boiler making engineering, so those kind of things. So please like, subscribe, and make sure you share with your friends. I'll be sharing my videos on YouTube, but I'll be sharing few of the videos on Facebook. So like and subscribe, guys. Make sure you share with your friends so that they can be helped. For those of you who know me, they know that I produce quality, nice drawings. So if you have a friend which you think might need this, please share the link, or invite your friends to come and like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video, guys.